Hello everyone, and this week I'm going to show you how to make an origami phone stand. If you want to use it, then you can take your phone and place it this way so your phone will just stay in place. And you can take it out and it can also work this way. And then just unfold this if you put your phone there. So if you want to make it, then take a square sheet of paper, but make sure it's a thick square sheet of paper, not an ordinary common. A4 paper cut square will work. So take it and fold in half. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half in this direction. Then fold this flap to the top. So now you have this. If you look closely, you'll see there's this pocket here. So if you just look here, and then you'll see this pocket type thing. And then just open it. So just open this and you can just bring this down. So now you have this. Next, fold this over. You can see this little flap here, just fold this over. This does not have to be right, but you can just fold it. And then fold it back here. So just fold this up. Now just take some glue and just put some glue here. And then just flatten it. If you want this flap to stay. And then you just wait for it to dry. Okay, so this flap should be here. So now just, as you can see, it just kind of rolls here a bit. So now just fold this up. This is just the estimation to see like what this part will be like. So just fold it just a little bit. So now you can see it just rolls around a little bit less. I'll just try and make these creases again. Now take a popsicle stick and see this little line here that fold made. We're gonna put the popsicle stick there. So then take some more glue and put it here. So make sure that it goes from here all the way to the end. And then just wait for it to dry. Okay, so now we have this popsicle stick here. Now just take some glue and just put some dots. So I'll put one dot here, one dot here, and then just put some dots on the back. So here and here. If you want it to be more stable, this part. And then when it's done, it'll look like this. It'll be stable, and then it'll be enough. And then you can put your phone here. And unfold this thing. And the overlay as well. And if there is some sun coming, then this thing will just block the sun from your phone. And then your phone stand is ready.